Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back again in another exciting video. So in today's video I'm again going to paint on a tote bag. As you know, nowadays tote bags are being very famous and very cute among universities and college going girlies. So today I'm going to make a very cute aesthetic tote bag. So let's start it. So today I have taken a white color for the tote bag and I'm going to paint on it and draw on it. So firstly I have divided the tote bag into small boxes. These are 16 small boxes 4 by 4. um, I have just marked it at the exact center of the tote bag. You could also mark first and then you have to start the painting to be it accurate. So now what I'm going to do today and what the theme is basically to draw 16 different paintings in these each box. So in this each box I'm going to paint differently and I'm going to paint just cute little drawings, very cute paintings, little paintings, and at the end the tote bag will really look super cool. So firstly I have painted like a smiley and now I'm painting a cute frog, some little hearts and such drawings. What I want to tell you is about the colors. Yes, so the colors I used on the tote bags are acrylic ones because these are the colors that stay on the that stay on such stuff. But here you can see I'm drawing a heart. I have also used permanent marker colors. So you could also use color markers which are permanent, so that it won't fade away or it won't just remove once they are washed. Okay, so the tip is that when you are just painting on the tote bag, and when I was painting on this particular tote bag in which I have to paint 16 different paintings, small paintings, what I used is a tape. So the particular square in which you are painting, you have to just uh, add a tape round about it so that any of the excess paint that would be out of the box would just on the tape, not on the tote bag. So basically it will give us a very clean painting and a clean tote at the end. So you could see at each of the painting I have drawn, I'm firstly adding the tape all on the four sides of a square, and then I am painting something on it. So here half of the box has been completed. You could see I have painted a cute lily flowers and a frog. Basically I'm skipping the detailings at first. I'm just drawing it, and at the end of the video you could see how I detailed each of the box and how the whole look of the tool just comes. So you could see I have painted some of the second boxes of a cute little frog. Then I'm going to make a smiley face on below of it. Then there are hearts, a cherry, a beautiful scene, a cute duckling, and such way. You could just paint any of your favorite drawings in this box just to make it more aesthetic, more super cool. I am drawing these. You could draw any of yours, or you could also draw these because these are really super easy, and it will also be a great fun while drawing it. You will also use markers and different colors on it. You could also write quotes on it as well. So one of the box here you could see I have painted black, and what I'm going to do on this black particular painting is to add a night theme in it. I could add moons and stars, and you could see the whole detailed tote bag at the end of the video for sure. So here a little camera goes down, but yeah, I have just make it right for you guys. and you just have to add different colors in each box so that it might not get similar to one another, and our whole uh, boxes look too cute and too different from one another, and which will give an overall good theme to it. So now I'm just making firstly background of all of the boxes, and then I will gonna paint it with specific cute little drawings. So here you could see my painting has almost come to an end, and overall the look is it's looking really cool. You could also try this tote bag at your home, and I have added all the cute little things. But the last detailed I'm going to show it at the end of the video in the picture. You could see that the whole look, that the end look is really fantastic, and I hope you have liked this video, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.